Okay, another day, another pigging out, and we are here in the city. Okay, we're here at Minchanco, another hot pot. Dahil malamig, ito ay 800, mura lang dito, 800 to 900 yen per packs. Kuha tayo ng table, and medyo maraming tao dahil lunchtime. Yan, sa gabi inuman din. Dito ay foreign friendly din siya. You can order sa tablet in English, and here it is, very fast. Yan, may gulay, noodles, and 3 pieces of gyoza. Okay, let's see kung masarap. Girl, ano na naman? Diba ang bilis? Guys, naka-speed yan. Huwag nyo akong i-judge. Mabagal ako kumain, so in-speed ko na lang. And marami akong chika dyan, pero kung gusto nyo, comment down below. So, ayan, malapit na kami matapos. And, ang sarap niya. Thank you, Lord. Ayan, so, pwede din kayong bumili sa kanila ng take-out product nila. Ayan, check out na. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you!